I'm Ville and I'm presenting AI UI for predictive maintenance. In the demo you can see how we can provide these kind of different graphs on your data. We can show how to combine different data sources from ERP and your production systems. You can see how to combine different tags on the tag management, so it can help you on those. And also you'll have a chat interface to talk to your data. So you can see results, ask for guidance and tips what to do next on your predictive maintenance process. And few examples is you can, for example, do this kind of a tag combining for the fleet. So you have tens of thousands of tags that you want to combine to your fixed data model, so you can use the AI to help on those. Or then you can predict, for example, the health score for your fleet, be it cars, elevators, whatever. You can see what is the next component that you would need to service and what kind of a time frame you have to do those kind of things. So it can help you to plan and optimize your service intervals as well.